Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Imagine stepping into your home after a long day and being greeted by a charming, well-organized mudroom that feels both inviting and practical. The farmhouse aesthetic is all about warmth, function, and timeless beauty, making it the perfect style choice for a mudroom. Whether you're dealing with messy boots, backpacks, or coats, a well-designed mudroom can transform the way your home feels, keeping things stylish yet highly functional. In this video, we're diving into some stunning farmhouse mudroom ideas that will inspire you to create a space that's both pretty and practical. From rustic storage solutions to cozy design touches, these ideas will help you turn your entryway into a welcoming retreat. Nothing says farmhouse charm quite like shiplap walls and beadboard paneling. These classic design elements add instant texture and character to your mudroom, making the space feel warm and inviting. For a bright and airy look, opt for crisp white shiplap, which pairs beautifully with natural wood tones and vintage-inspired decor. If you prefer something moodier, a deep charcoal or muted sage green shiplap adds a modern farmhouse touch. To keep things cohesive, install beadboard along the lower half of the walls and paint it in a soft neutral hue like warm beige or classic ivory. For added charm, incorporate black iron hooks, a rustic wooden bench, and woven baskets to create a seamless blend of style and functionality. A farmhouse mudroom should not only look beautiful but also provide smart storage solutions. Built-in lockers or cubbies are a game changer for keeping the space clutter-free and organized. Each family member can have their own designated locker, complete with open shelving for baskets, hooks for coats, and a drawer for shoes. To enhance the farmhouse charm, use reclaimed wood for the locker doors or go for a soft, distressed paint finish in warm white, sage, or gray. Pair your lockers with a cozy bench seat, perfect for sitting down while putting on shoes. Add plush cushions in gingham, buffalo check, or neutral linen fabrics to make the space extra inviting. A woven storage basket under the bench is the perfect place to tuck away slippers and pet accessories. Even the smallest details can elevate your farmhouse mudroom. Rustic hooks, vintage wall art, and antique-style storage solutions create a curated, lived-in feel. For a timeless farmhouse look, opt for black wrought iron or antique brass hooks mounted on a wooden plank. Use them to hang hats, coats, or reusable shopping bags. A distressed wooden shelf above the hooks can hold charming farmhouse decor, like a ceramic pitcher filled with dried lavender, a weathered sign with a cozy quote, or a wire basket filled with seasonal greenery. A vintage-inspired chalkboard or letterboard is another fun addition, perfect for leaving reminders or sweet messages for the family. You can also hang a repurposed window frame or an old barn door to add an authentic rustic touch. Before we jump into the next idea, let us know, what's your favorite mudroom feature so far? Leave a comment below and tell us how you'd style your farmhouse mudroom. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a home styling idea. A mudroom is one of the hardest working spaces in your home, so the flooring needs to be both durable and stylish. Consider brick flooring in a herringbone or basket weave pattern for a classic farmhouse look that hides dirt and adds incredible texture. If you prefer a softer look, opt for wood look tile or wide plank waterproof vinyl in warm oak tones. To enhance the farmhouse aesthetic, layer in a jute or woven rug, perfect for absorbing dirt and moisture. For an extra cozy touch, add a boot tray with river rocks to keep wet shoes from making a mess. The right lighting can take your farmhouse mudroom from ordinary to extraordinary. A well-chosen light fixture adds instant charm and warmth. For a classic farmhouse look, opt for a black metal lantern pendant, a vintage-inspired schoolhouse light, or even a charming wood bead chandelier. If you prefer a more modern twist, a black cage pendant or an industrial-style sconce can add a sleek farmhouse touch. To bring in a fresh and inviting feel, don't forget greenery. A potted olive tree, eucalyptus stems in a vintage milk jug, or hanging ivy plants add life and warmth to the space. Seasonal wreaths or small potted herbs on a shelf can also add a charming touch. A well-designed farmhouse mudroom is more than just a place to drop your shoes. It's a welcoming, organized space that sets the tone for your entire home. By incorporating shiplap walls, built-in storage, vintage decor, durable flooring, and statement lighting, you can create a mudroom that is both practical and beautiful. Which of these ideas was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves farmhouse style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.